Hi, I'm Lori Wilson, a fragrance development specialist at Scentsy. If you've spilled wax on your counters, walls, carpet, or even your favorite jeans, don't worry. We'll show you 2 easy ways to clean up spilled wax using common household items, and then we'll explain how to remove really stubborn wax stains. So stay tuned to learn how it's done. First, gather the supplies you'll need for your chosen method. You can start with whichever method makes the most sense for the surface you're cleaning. For our first technique, freeze and scrape, you'll need an ice pack or bagged ice, a towel, and a thin, blunt object like a credit card, a dish scraper, a butter knife, or a spatula. First, wrap your ice pack in a towel to avoid dampening the area around the spill. You can use a thin, absorbent towel or a paper towel. Next, place the ice pack on the spilled wax and press until the wax has solidified. Finally, gently scrape away the solidified wax. To avoid scratching paint or gouging countertops, use a credit card or another dull item to carefully scrape the wax. When cleaning carpets and other fabric items, a sturdy butter knife can help remove the wax from the fibers. Repeat these steps as needed, making sure not to injure yourself or damage the underlying surface. If the freezing technique doesn't remove all the wax, try the next method. For our heat and blot method, you'll need a hairdryer or an iron and a paper towel. Before you start, do some research to make sure the surface around the spill won't be damaged by heat. Place your paper towel on the wax spill. If the spill is on a garment or a blanket, place an additional towel beneath the item to keep the wax from seeping through. Set the hairdryer or iron on a low setting, then apply heat to the wax spill until the wax melts. Next, blot up the melted wax with clean sections of your towel. Repeat these steps as needed. It may take a few attempts before all the melted wax is lifted. If the wax leaves any lingering stains, try these tips for dealing with stubborn wax. Treat the stubborn stain with your cleaner of choice. Use a cleaning solution that's made for the item you're trying to clean, like an oxygen-based cleaner for carpets, a dry cleaning solution for garments, or a baking soda mixture for grout. For stains in hard-to-reach areas like gaps between tiles or floorboards, use a cotton swab or a toothbrush. Remember to test your cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area, wear gloves and a mask, and follow the manufacturer's instructions. With these simple tips, you'll be able to deal with almost any wax spill. If you have more questions about cleaning wax spills, check out the Scentsy blog, linked in the description.